KempWindows.com has the key to choosing a good quality replacement window for your home. Could you use new replacement windows for your home? New replacement windows will decrease utility costs, increase curb appeal, provide fade protection, reduce noise, eliminate unsightly storm windows, allow you to clean your windows with ease, increase security and safety, reduce water and air leaks, and needs less maintenance. If you have an older home, which could be 10 to 15 years with original windows, I'm sure you'd like to check a few things off this list. The one key to choosing a good quality window for your home is to make sure that it's AAMA certified. AAMA stands for American Architectural Manufacturers Association. Being AAMA certified means a sample unit of our windows meets stringent performance standards, passing required performance tests for resistance to air leakage, water penetration, and wind pressure. These performance tests are conducted at an independent AAMA accredited lab. Individual components used in our windows have passed their own separate performance tests in order to even be eligible for use in an AAMA certified window. Our Kemp manufacturing facilities have certified that production line units are built to the same specifications as the sample unit that was tested. And our Kemp manufacturing plant's production lines, component inventory, and quality control records are checked annually through 2 surprise inspections by an independent third-party validator. We offer what most of our competitors don't. Both lines offered at KempWindows.com, the Fusion and Mezzo, carry the AAMA certification label. That means you can be rest assured you're purchasing one of the best windows on the market. Receive instant pricing with no salesman needed on our AAMA certified windows at KempWindows.com.